how to download Minecraft Bedrock launcher. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download the Minecraft Bedrock launcher so you can start playing on your PC. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your computer screen. Type Microsoft Store and open it. This is the store where you'll download the launcher. Once you're inside the Microsoft Store, click the search bar at the top and type Minecraft. You'll see Minecraft come up in the results. And with Minecraft, you will also see the Minecraft Bedrock Edition also came up. It's important to note that you'll need to purchase Minecraft if you don't already own it. If you haven't bought it yet, you can see the price listed here. When you buy Minecraft for PC, you get access to both Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. If you already own Minecraft, you can go straight to downloading the launcher. Just click Install to start the download. When the installation is complete, click Play. Once it finishes, the button will change to Play and you're ready to start your adventure. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Minecraft Bedrock launcher. Thanks for watching.